Patient Guide for Regenortho Sports BMAC Procedure. During your first visit on day 1, a pre-injection of hypertonic dextrose solution is given to create mild inflammation at the site of injury. Bone marrow aspiration. During the first session on day 2, the doctor will numb the iliac crest at the back of your hips with the help of local anesthesia. Now, bone marrow aspiration is done to harvest the stem cells from your bone marrow. This process is done with the help of X-ray, fluoroscopy or ultrasound to assure the precise location. Now you will have some downtime to relax, while bone marrow concentration is processed for stem cells. Injecting stem cells. During the second session on day 2, the processed stem cells are injected into a specific location of the body that is to be treated. This is done with the help of real-time fluoroscopy or ultrasound imaging techniques for precise injection of stem cells into the body. Blood is drawn from the vein in the arm of a patient and is processed in the lab to obtain concentrated platelets. As an additional stimulation to trigger the healing process, super-concentrated platelet injection is given during the latter part of the stem cell procedure. Concentrated platelets are injected into the treated site to work in conjugation with stem cells and release the growth factors essential to repair the tissue. The 3-day process of stem cell therapy is a much simple and comfortable method when compared to orthopedic surgery. Benefits of regenerative treatment. Regenortho Sports regenerative treatments like concentrated platelet procedure and BMAC procedures help your body heal itself. They reduce pain, swelling, and improve movement. Unlike pills that only mask pain, regenerative treatments fix the problem, giving you long-lasting relief without surgery. Urgent call for treatment. Don't wait. Musculoskeletal problems get worse over time. If you delay treatment, the damage can become permanent, leading to more pain and less mobility. Act fast with Regenortho Sports regenerative treatments and stop the problem before it worsens.